The best thing customers can do to prepare for winter is to make sure they know where their main water shutoff valve is. This is where they'll need to go to shut off their water if they do have a busted pipe in their home. Other than that, they can prepare their outside spigots for cold weather coming. Make sure they turn off their outdoor spigots and let the lines run to clear out any water that might be in there as well. If you do have a frozen pipe, sometimes you'll notice that the water is just not working in your house. So at that point, if you suspect there's a problem, go ahead and shut off the main water service valve so that you can allow that to defrost and hopefully get the water back on. A lot of times customers are wanting to fix the frozen pipe so they can get their water back running as soon as possible. So a lot of times the best step to do is just patience to turn off the main water valve and let it thaw out. But sometimes people will try different things like using a hair dryer to thaw out the faucet, and it's best to not do that since you can have a problem with electricity and water as well there. If you do need further assistance, just give us a call here at Fairfax Water. We can help you in many different ways to help determine the source of the problem. It could be a frozen pipe in your home, or it could be a frozen meter. Well, a lot of times if you're going out of town for a few days, you may be tempted to turn your heat down in your home. So we ask that you keep your heat at a reasonable temperature so the pipes don't freeze in your home. If you're going out of town for several days, you can also turn off the water at your main water shutoff valve. And also give us a call too. We can turn off your water for you at the meter as well. So often you'll have power outages during the winter, so that might be a concern that you don't have heat in your home and so you could have frozen pipes. The best thing to do in that case is to leave a faucet running, just dripping during the time that your heat is off. The movement of the water through the pipes will help prevent frozen pipes from occurring.